It's Adrian here, the Nowra gutter cleaner. Today I am going to a return job. We are in the heart of Nowra and we are checking out on an installation I did about 5 years ago. It's a beautiful day, living the dream, lovely part of the world. So let's get straight into it. So it looks like we've got the gutter guard in very good condition still. This is about 4 or 5 years down the track. Neighbor's gonna have a bit of a problem. So guys, if you're gonna get solar panels installed, do not install them close to the edge of the roof like that. I think these days it's not allowed anymore, because good luck trying to hire somebody to clean these gutters here now. You just can't access them from the roof. You can't get to them from the neighbor's side, it's too close. So never ever build your solar panels this close to the edge of the roof. Massive big no-no, big red flag. And also, you see the birds? So when you just got to be careful that your roof is not a good vantage point for birds, because then you get these guys will come and build nests in between your solar panels. This would be literally this house here. They can't clean this side of the roof gutters, and they're gonna have birds nesting here all the time. I did recommend to this customer that I'm on the roof now. He did ask me a couple of years ago, hey, should I get some solar panels installed? And I flat out said to him, because I'd spent a lot of hours on this roof, I just said, don't get it on this roof. It's like, yes, we all want to save the planet and everything, but you also don't want to be losing sleep at night. You don't want lots of stress. You get these. Now, they've also, here's another thing, guys, don't get the shiny tiles. So all I see here is shiny tiles, shiny tiles, shiny tiles. People won't want to come and work on your roof if you have shiny tiles. So yes, it looks nice and it's beaming from the street, but if you ever have to get anyone to do maintenance work, you'll struggle to get someone onto your roof if you have shiny tiles. Don't get shiny tiles. Solar panels, make sure they're installed further away from the roof. Also, make sure the solar panels, there's a lot of height underneath the solar panel so that you can clean underneath. Because now the birds are going to build nests under there, and it'll be absolutely impossible to clean the nests out from underneath there. So that's a tragedy in the making there. Let's go and see what's happening underneath the gutter guard here. Okay, so I'm at the edge of the roof. This roof is like, you got the tree right here, growing right over the top of the gutter guards, over the gutters, sorry. So, yeah, let's inspect what's happening underneath. So excellent, we've got very little build-up. So I'm just going to be going along the gutters and doing this. So just with a brush, and just brushing off all the shit off the top of the gutter guards. So just going around like that with the brush. And then rinsing out the gutters and we're done. Okay, so there was a slight build-up of stuff underneath there after a closer inspection, after pushing the stuff through with the hose, but super easy to wash it through when it's detected early like that. Very easy to wash it through down the downpipes. So yeah, 45 minutes in and out, quick and easy. And then the customer gets, me to look at the roof inspection. I'm also just going to go and clean these gutters down here just to give them a bit of value. So if you didn't invest for the follow-up cleans, that mound the bit that I rinsed out there, that would just build up. So then over year, it'll then become like a full blockage. and then that's where things start to get totally out of control. So yeah, it's paid $250, get all the gutters rinsed out. Didn't take me long, but if he had neglected to do that, then 4 years down the track, big storm comes, gutters are blocked, you've got this gutter guard. Adrian, what's happening? I go, look mate, I told you you need to come and get me to clean the gutters. Rinse them out. So guys, get gutter guard, rinse them out. Don't believe anybody. Do not throw them off your property. If a gutter guard installer comes to your house and says to you, hey, you will never have to clean your gutters ever again. If someone says that to you, goes, look mate, could you please get off my property? Because yeah, I don't like getting lied to on my property, and they don't need to lie. Like, I don't know why they say that. There's no I've got a massive strike rate with selling gutter guard, and I always just say, yeah, you're paying me all the money to come and install it. You need me to come back and clean it afterwards. So I always tell them that, and I still get a good strike rate. But you see, the reason like this was an easy sell for me is because of this tree. I just said, look, you can have no gutter guard there, but you'd have to call me every 3 months with a minimum charge of $250 to clean the gutters. And it's a dangerous roof to access. This is a high roof, it's double story. You're going to struggle to find people to come and get onto the roof. So yeah, if you commit to the maintenance, it's only $250. If you don't have gutter guard, you're cleaning it every 3 months, and there's still the possibility that the gutters could get blocked up within those 3 months because the amount of debris that comes down from the tree. So guys, think carefully about your choices with gutter guard and gutter guard providers. If they say you never have to clean your gutters again, they're lying to you. Downpipe guard. So we've come across a downpipe guard. So what is a downpipe guard? Here you have the downpipe. Here you have a guard. Now, how is water going to get into the downpipe through all of this? You tell me, how do you think it's going to get through? Can't get through. So, yeah. I know it's on there's some guy on Better Homes and Gardens like raved about this. Now, during light rains, this is not going to be a problem. But when you get storms, when you really need to get your gutters functioning at their full capacity, because you're getting like, I don't know how many thousands of liters of, how many hundreds of milliliters per minute hitting your roof. And if you don't have proper amount of area for the water to travel down the downpipe, this is going to restrict it by at least 95%. So 95% of the capacity of its effectiveness is eliminated by having one of these. So during the light rains, these downpipe guards would work well, but during heavy rains, they're no good. Also, they will accelerate the deterioration of your gutters because there'll always be blockages. The water is going to pool in your gutters because these things are there. Which will accelerate the rust in your gutters. So I would recommend not to have these. I will put a little description of something that's a lot better. You've got these downpipe guards that actually fit further down the actual downpipe. I would recommend getting one of those rather than this. This is a very poor solution to keeping your downpipes clear, because yeah, when it rains, you want the water to flow through. You don't want any crap in the way.